friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to learn about adjectives. So what are adjectives? Adjectives are the words that describes the nouns or say that describes the important characteristics of the nouns. For example, beautiful, handsome, gorgeous, fat, tall. All these are the adjectives. So in Spanish we know all the words are gendered. For example, like they have the genders, feminine and masculine. So even the adjectives are gendered. Like for feminine and masculine, the adjectives changes. For example, alto is for masculine and alta is for feminine. So it changes with respect to the genders and with respect to the numbers. If it is singular, there would be singular adjective, and if the nouns are plural, there would be plural adjectives. So let us see the adjectives in Spanish. So in Spanish, there are 4 different ways in which the adjectives can be expressed, because the nouns are gendered and with respect to their numbers, the adjectives change. So here I have taken the example alta. Alta means tall. So alta, el hombre es alto. The man is tall. El hombre, that's why it is alto. Los hombres son altos. The man, or say the men, are tall. So here it is los hombres, that's why it is altos, the plural. La mujer es alta. Now the alto has changed to alta. La mujer es alta y las mujeres son altas. So this is how we express adjectives in Spanish. Not all the adjectives change in 4 different ways, but there are many adjectives that change into 4 different ways. So let us see some more examples of these. Well, so now we will see some positive adjectives, like that gives a positive feeling. For example, amable. Amable means kind. So amable means kind. Amable. Divertido means adventurous. Divertido. Creativo. Creativo or creativa. Creativo is very much creative. Creativo. Responsable. Responsable is responsible. Responsable. Simpático. Simpático is very much sympathetic or say very much friendly. So we can use simpático or simpática. Simpático or simpática. These are the positive adjectives. Like when we are talking about positive, when we are giving a positive sentence for someone, we use these adjectives. María es muy responsable. Juan es muy divertido. Juan es muy divertido. Mi amigo es muy simpático. Mi amigo es muy simpático. So this is how we use positive adjectives in our sentences in Spanish. So now we will see some negative adjectives. And how to use them in our daily use sentences or how to use in our daily sentences. So let's see some of the negative adjectives. Well, egoísta means selfish. Egoísta. Mi hermana es muy egoísta. Mi hermana es muy egoísta. Well, molesto y molesta, it means annoying. Molesto. Mi hermana es muy molesta. Mi hermana es muy molesta. Mi hermana o mi hermano es muy molesto. Vale, mi hermano es muy molesto. Y algunas veces mi mamá es muy molesta. Vale. Aburrido. Aburrido means like boring. Boring. Mi amiga es muy aburrida. Mi amiga es muy aburrida. Aburrida means boring. aburrido o aburrida. Vale, now we will see some adjectives which we use for describing the physical traits. For describing the physical traits of a human or of a living being. So now we see some of the adjectives to describe the physical traits. Well, so describing the physical traits, we need to show like how the person looks or how he is. So the first example is alto. So alto, we have already discussed this in our example, in our previous example. Alto means tall. So alto y alta. Vale, Juan es muy alto. Juan es alto. María es alta. María es alta. Y Juan es alto. Bajo. Bajo means short. So bajo y baja. Gordo y gorda. Gordo is fat. So gordo y gorda. Guapo y guapa. Guapa means beautiful. So guapo generally we use for describing a person who is very much beautiful or who is handsome. So we use María es guapa. María es muy guapa. Y Juan es guapo. Juan es guapo. Mis amigos son guapos. Mis amigos son guapos. Vale, so this is how we use adjectives in our daily life and we use adjectives in our sentences. There are many adjectives. So for the list of the adjectives, you can see my comment section where I have given the link where you can refer to all the adjectives that we use in Spanish. And if you have any doubts, do write on the comment section. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much.